Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make some cloud slime. So the things you're gonna need: instant snow. I got this on Amazon. This is for like $68, I think, or maybe plus. Yes, you're gonna need a lot of instant, but not a lot. And you're only gonna need a little bit of instant snow. So we're gonna make like a small one. So let's make a color. Let's try to make a blue one. No, not blue one. Let's make a yellow one. Let's try yellow. So here I got my yellow dye, and then I'm gonna do regular white glue. So here's my white glue, Elmer's school glue gallons, and then here's my activator. I'm not gonna make this one jiggly. I'm just gonna make it a regular slime, and then I'll probably use one of these onions. Okay, so first thing you want to do is let's make our instant snow first, actually. So I want to get a bowl. So this is for the instant snow. So you got this here. It's your instant snow. You're gonna put a little bit of instant snow in here. So you're not gonna need a lot for your slime. So, look. So that's just like this much for your slime. And now you want to put I'm going to put some water. So I have water in here. And it's going to grow. And you don't want it to the point where it's like jelly. So just spray it once. So yeah, I'm just spraying it with water. Could mix it for a little bit. So here's your instant snow. I'm gonna set this aside, and now we're gonna make our slime. So we're gonna make a regular yellow slime. I'll make this one jiggly. A jiggly slime. So I'm gonna get my water again. I'm gonna spray or put some water into a bowl. You're not gonna need too much, like just enough to cover the bottom of the bowl. And then you're gonna put your desired glue. And I might need a lot because there's a little bit goes a lot for cloud slime. So yeah. And then towards the end, you want to keep it a little bit sticky so your snow can be mixed in with your glue. So now I'm just going to mix the glue and the water together. I'm using popsicle stick. Okay, so it should look kind of like this. Kind of watery. Now we're going to add our coloring. I'm going to add oh, it's not coming out. Maybe we can't do yellow because it's not coming out. Okay, let's do... Oh! Okay, let's do... Oh, how about orange? Alright. Hold on, let me try. Okay. Got a little bit of orange in there. Here it is. And I'm gonna mix it in. So yeah, I'm just mixing my coloring in right now. I need a little bit more. Keep mixing. So this one's gonna be a little bit light. Kind of looks reddish. Keep adding more orange. It's okay. It's good enough. Sorry for the background. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on. Oh no! Let me try to see if I can get a little bit more yellow. Okay, so a little bit of yellow came out. Could mix it with some. Oh, hold on. So I need another one. To squeeze some more out. And then I'll get some red. So I got yellow and red. Hopefully I can make it a little bit more orange. Uh-oh. Oh, it's turning red. That's not good. Maybe we can have a red slime today. Okay. So I guess we're going to have to try and do red now. Okay. Now we're going to start adding our activator in. This part is the longest part. gonna be more of a red slime now. You know what? Maybe you can just add your instant snow in now, so it gets really incorporated into your slime. Woo! It looks nice already. It's a good like orange pinkish, and then you have the instant snow in there. Okay, let's keep mixing. I can see coming the yellow. Ooh. Keep adding more activator. Oh god, I'm like sweating because my arm hurts. I'm just mixing for a little while. Ah. Okay, kind of starting to come together slowly. Just slowly need to add activator 2. Okay. My arm hurts. Okay, here. Wow. I can already starting to see the fibers now. That means this should be called like strawberry shortcake or something. Or strawberry. Yeah, strawberry shortcake. Because it has a nice strawberry look. Okay, kind of sticky, but doing well. Okay, almost done. Just gotta. I haven't been posting because of my birthday. A lot of stuff. Okay, now I'm gonna start mixing in with my hands. Ooh, feels nice. And this is my first time ever making a fluffy slime. Or no, not fluffy slime. Cloud slime. I made fluffy slime a lot of times that I don't have any more shaving cream. Like, I might get some someday. Make some fluffy slime because I've been making just like a lot of other slimes except it's a red patch in here. So it's supposed to have like a fiber look when you stretch it. So now, what I'm doing now is I'm kneading it. So I'm gonna so it's a jiggly, or a bit jiggly, lightly jiggled fluffy slime. Or not fluffy. I keep calling it fluffy slime because it's kind of fluffy. Now, that's what it's supposed to look like. It has a very nice texture, but it's kind of sticky. Start kind of putting some stuff back. So I'm going to try to get some of this slime off of the bowl. Try to add it to the slime so not wasting a lot. Yeah, so I'm just putting up this. That's how you make strawberry shortcake fluffy slime. Yeah. I kind of like it a little bit sticky. Just maybe a little, like 2 sprays of activator. It's very rough in a way, but really scratchy. I'm gonna try and make a bubble. See how scratch tests. Wow. Good enough. Good enough fluffy slime. And you can also put combinations like what I did. I put kind of like a jiggly slime with fluffy slime. You can also make this like a fluffy slime / butter slime at the same time. I've never seen someone do that before, but it's cool. It would be cool. So I'm gonna pack this away and make it a lot. I have a lot of containers. So here I got these, also from Amazon, and these are seal proof, so they're airtight. So that means it's like really hard to get. Oh, there's so much slime. It's like bulging out of the container. I don't think you can see it. But here's my fluffy slime. Strawberry shortcake. Oh. Hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I hope you guys like this video. Bye!